Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you the VG10 Superior Japanese Damascus steel knife. So this is a chef's knife and it's a part of the Shogun series. So let's go ahead and not waste your time and show you what you guys are exactly getting. So right away we see that they package it very nicely. You get this nice sheath. That is really nice. Grab the middle part of the sheath while inserting the knife. Never grab the ends. So a nice little warning there. You get a nice little pamphlet here. Goes over a whole bunch of different knives in the set. That's actually pretty cool, so you can get to familiarize with the brand. So this is it. Wow. That is beautiful. Look at that, my friends. Just stunning. It's got a really nice balance to it. Beautiful handle, beautiful grip. Perfect balance. I mean, holding it in your hand, you can lightly hold it and maintain. I mean, that is beautiful. And that's extremely sharp, my friends, as well. So be very careful. You must know what you're doing. Take a look at that up close. Look at that design. Look at the reflection. Great balance. I know I keep saying that, but I'm very impressed. A lot of these knives don't have good balance. You can tell that this was made at the top of superiority quality. Grab it like this. You slowly place it in. Very impressive, my friends. Very, very impressive. I mean, the quality is just top notch. I have to admit, this is the nicest quality chef knife I've ever reviewed. I mean, that is beautiful. The craftsmanship is just, it's just there, my friends. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.